This activity replaces the traditional method of students drawing and coloring physical maps or creating physical models. It replaces it with a digital interactive design task using the platform Canva. So in this activity, I'm covering 7th grade science standard. It's strand 7.2 on plate tectonics. So in this task, the students will use Canvas's graphic design tool to create an annotated visual map of major plate boundaries. So basically, our students are selecting one major plate boundary to research, and they start with, you can see I have a simple map template in Canvas. So students will use Canvas's shape and line, and I put this in Canvas here, the instructions. They're going to use the shapes and lines to accurately trace the outline of the tectonic plates involved and the exact location of the boundary. So over here you've got the element button. They're also going to be using icons. So when we click on this element button, you can see some of the things I've previously used, but you can do shapes. So you can do like lines. You can see recently used lines, shapes, arrows. So the students will trace the outline of the tectonic plate, and then they'll actually go into what's cool. They can go into graphics when it wants them to do like a volcano to use to represent our volcanoes. We can actually search volcano, and you'll come with all these different icons. Oh, there we go. All these different icons that they can choose from to place their volcanoes there. So they place all of these icons to represent the key geological features listed here. And then they can use the text. There's a text element where they can put in a text box, and they can add labels to explain the processes that are occurring. So they're kind of using this to create a more interactive and a professional looking map. The finished map, they're going to, once they get all this done, they're going to submit this map as a PNG or PDF instead of being printed. So this makes it more digital, gives them the ability to focus on the content they're doing rather than are they good at drawing their volcanoes, or rather than the artistic effects of their drawing. They can just use Canva to make it look professional and focus on the content.